Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.